So we're back in Elgin. We're at Erwees Gift again, or Erwees Gift, depending on what you want to say. And this time Evan sadly is not with us. Finn and Nicola, as well as Leah and Maya, Justin's friend Benjamin, and Declan's other friend Amber, are all here to celebrate Declan's birthday. Yeah, it's lovely weather again, and I'm really happy to be back. And it'll be a nice break, although this time I will not get my back sunburned because I got roasted last time. And I hope it doesn't rain at night. Hey! What's Nicola?
I hold back sometimes.
So you got the whole setup now?
I feel good sometimes I don't.
Commitment! And yeah, that's the squad. How are you enjoying it so far?
It's very nice. My highlights have been being here with my beautiful girlfriend, and we had our first kiss in the water.
That was not a first because you didn't have to lie.
Leah.
The star of the show,
Of course.
they speak. My favourite part of this trip has been Declan.
What?
Well,
This?
yeah.
He's been such an amazing star, and his German has improved a lot, and I'm so proud of him.
My moment.
Your moment is coming, Declan.
What is your highlight?
The highlight has been the river
Oh my gosh.
with its silky smooth water and its emerald green lily
So
pads.
profound.
And Leah. Leah's also been my highlight.
What?
And Maya.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
Leah and Maya.
There's no
Despite
need to
the
lie,
lack of-
Declan. Up
And
the
this
river with
photograph.
Amber, your
It's
highlight
also
of
a
the trip so
swear
far?
you. Watch yourself.
Oh.
Yes.
Then what's your
I know,
actual
same
highlight?
Declan.
It's been nice, you know, I've had you
My
here.
highlight was
And I've had, this is actually true, you here, I've had Finn and Nicola
What
here,
did you say?
and then we got my friends and this cool place, and now it's all together. So it's a whole lot of things I really like together.
We're all
That's
glad.
true, though.
That's
That's
very
Callum,
nice of you,
what's your
Declan.
highlight of the trip?
Whew, my highlight has been the option to swim freely without cell phone signal.
That wasn't
'Cause-
supposed to happen.
Yeah, it's been nice to kind of have that chilled out vibe, no phone pinging
That's
24/7.
very true.
So yeah, the kind of freedom that there is to also just swim has been really
It's
fun.
a beautiful
Emerald
place.
green lily pads.
And shooting the footage as well was a blast. Who's the friendliest? Right? Oh. Finn, the highlight so
Thanks,
far.
Nicole.
Highlight? Me,
Yeah.
obviously.
German, apparently.
No, your highlight.
Damn it.
Oh, my highlight, not the highlight.
Look at the reception, it's full bar.
Hallelujah.
Your faces are
I
fantastic.
don't know, I jumped
Heritage,
into
my
some lily pads.
Girl,
That
I'm
was,
gonna need
right
to
there.
borrow your SD because I forgot as I went down to get my SD.